Hello, this is Mrs. Cooley. I'm going to show you today a video of how to use a program called Smore, which is a way to make online flyers. And so I've gone to smore.com and I've created an account by using my Hampton City Schools username and password. What you're looking at now is the entry page to Smore, and I'm going to click on Start a New Flyer. Okay, the first page I have here is I can choose what I want my flyer to look like. I'm going to go ahead and choose Other, and it's going to ask me what I want. I'm just going to tell them a school project and click on Start from Blank. The very first thing you want to do is start by picking a title. I'm going to do a demonstration. I know you're doing the Russian nesting dolls in your class. I will talk about the German wax carvings. So I'm going to give it a title and subtitle, and then click Done. Okay, and here it gives me my color. Immediately I can do different editing. I can click on the right hand side, you'll see a Tools list. I can choose between modern, handwritten, minimal. You can click through here and find the one that you think is going to represent your information the most appropriately, and then choose it. Okay. I can also change the background. Every background is specific to the design style, so you can go ahead and choose one that you think will again highlight your information. Here's crayon, it goes pretty well with my wax carving, and I can choose that. I can also hand select different color palette and hand select a font style, and this will save automatically every 30 seconds, or you can go ahead and click Save Now. Every time you change, you can make a save change. So you can go ahead and edit the title. I could give some basic information here. If I click Edit, it gives me the option to title a new section. I can add my text here. I can bold. I can add a link, and I can click Done or Cancel when I'm done. I can also add more things to my flyer. For example, I want to have different sections, such as history. I can go ahead and put in a history section, maybe methods or techniques. And this is a way for me to organize my information. I can also put in pictures. I can put in video or audio or links as well. In fact, I know I want to do resources as well. So I can put a link here of where I got my information for my website, for my flyer. So if I'm going to put information about the history, I can click on the plus sign. I can type here information about what I want you to know about the history, and I can also add some pictures. I think I'll do a gallery of pictures, and I've pre-selected some pictures of wax carvings. I would take them and drag them into my Smore flyer, so you can see some examples of the wax carving. You can also, if it won't drag and drop, you can also click on it and select it from your computer. But I think the first step would be to put the information. You can also describe the pictures that you've dragged in. I can continue here and put a topic about, I can type out what the methods are, or I can also show some pictures. Clicking here on the plus sign allows me to add a picture of maybe some tools or a craftsman. Here, I'm going to have to do it this way, I can tell. And I can find the picture on my website and just hit open for the stubborn pictures. And then I can also talk about this one as well. For the resources, I'm probably going to put the links or the websites or books where I found my information and click Done. Okay, see here you have the option also of putting multiple pictures, putting in video, putting in an audio file, all different ways to share the information. And when I'm done, I will save my changes. I can preview and share, and it's going to give me an example of what it's going to look like. I could always go back and edit it, put in more information if I want, because you're going to have different things you need to include. And I can share in lots of different ways. I can click here to print the flyer. I can also share via Facebook, share via email. I would probably click this one here and share it with my teacher. Pick recipients and send that person an email now, and I would type in Mr. Frederick's email. And continue step 2, and then I can give him my message, and I'd send my flyer. So very, very neat. You can do lots of different things. You can also track how many times that someone has looked at your flyer. You can get a link and embed the link in a website if you want to show. And you can also decide if you want your flyer to, you can change, you can make it private or public or super, and different people be able to look at your flyer. I think it's a really fun way to share information in a colorful manner, saves paper, environmentally friendly, and I hope you enjoy making your smore. Thank you.